Hello viewers, welcome to SS tutorial. Today in this video, we will know in details about what is plate, types of plates, why and how plates are moving and why we cannot feel their movement. So let's begin. The term plate is used for the first time in the year of 1965 by John Tujo Wilson, a geophysicist and geologist of Canada. Plate is nothing but the broken parts of the Earth's surface, which are defined in shape and size. In other words, we can say our Earth's surface is divided into some solid and rigid pieces, which are continuously moving. All that pieces are called as plates. Our Earth is divided into 7 major and 8 minor plates. They are on an average 100 to 150 km thick and some have an area of approx 7 billion square kilometer. These plates are mainly two types. They are continental plates and oceanic plates. Plates which are mainly consist of continental crust and composed of granite, which are lighter and comparatively less denser, are known as continental plates, like Eurasian plate. And plates which are mainly consist of oceanic crust and composed of basalt, which comparatively denser and heavier, are known as oceanic plates, like Pacific plate. All these plates are continuously moving. Now you may have two questions. First one is, which forces are responsible for the movement of these thicker and larger plates? And second one is, if plates are moving, then why we cannot feel their movement? Okay, let's know the answer. Plates are floating and moving on the asthenosphere. Asthenosphere is the region of upper mantle, situated at a depth between 80 and 100 km, which is mechanically weak and it is semi-fluid due to extreme heat and pressure. According to Arthur Holmes, an English geologist, in the upper mantle, there are some radioactive chemicals which causes extreme heat near about 1300 degrees centigrade, which creates convection currents. These convection currents is the main reason for the plate movement. There are some another reason for plate movement also. There, magma eruption between two plates causes plate movement. According to Hagar, 1978, a gravitational pull creates between oceanic ridge and oceanic trench, which leads to plate movement. Where one plate is subducted under another plate, their pull by downgoing plate may result plate movement. Hope you understand why plates are in motion. These plates are moving super slowly. It is observed that the plate which is moving very fast moves only 12 cm per year. Now you just imagine that. If these larger and thicker plates moves only 12 cm per year, then it is quite impossible to feel their movement. But sometimes we can feel their movement. When due to plate movement earthquakes occurs, then we can feel the plate movement. The edge of a plate is known as plate margin and the area between two plates is known as plate boundary. There are three basic types of plate boundary. They are convergent plate boundary, divergent plate boundary and transform plate boundary. In our next video, we will briefly discuss about three different types of plate boundaries. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.